it's Micheline from Micheline Makes again. This is a vlog about recycling. First of all, I want to tell you about this t-shirt that I bought. It was around the same time as I bought the a fleece type polo neck top that I showed you. I think I told you it was pink, but it wasn't, it was lilac. And it's the one that I use to keep myself warm. At the same time, we were looking in Next. It wasn't the actual Next shop. It was the factory. What do you call them? It was in the. We went to one of these places where they have the factory products from Next, where they are end of line or rejects or so on, or things that haven't sold. And I headed towards this long, big long, very head to feet t-shirt that was blue, and I got it off the shelf and I'm looking at it, and his lordship said, "Oh, what do you want that for? It's horrible." And I said, but I'm thinking about what I can do with it. And he said, "Well, what are you going to do with that? It's horrible." So anyway, in the end, I said, look at the price. It's only £5. There's bound to be something I can do with it. So I got this t-shirt for £5, and not my kind of colours, I must admit, and probably eventually I will dye it, probably a navy blue or something. But I got it, and it was very big. It was size 22. I put it on me, and I looked absolutely lost in it. And if I've still got the video of that, I'll put it up. But I bought it, and I just, when I got home, I put it to one side. And then the other week, I suddenly decided, right, let's do something with it. Now, I also bought, I think it was from the same place, Retail Park. I bought Marks and Spencer's t-shirt for £5 as well, and I liked it. So I thought, right, what I'll do is I'm going to make a similar t-shirt as that one, and it had the raglan sleeves. Instead of coming from the seam here, it came down there. And so I thought, right, I'll do the same thing. So what I've done is I've filmed it, but I haven't spoken over it. And basically, just to show you how I did it, I laid the bought Marks and Spencer's t-shirt on top of the other one and started cutting round. I started with the hem being at the bottom of the dress. I thought I'll use the hem of the bottom of the dress for the bottom of my t-shirt. So anyway, enjoy watching this. this is the finished product. Very happy with it. I tried to match these seams, I did very well there and there, but didn't do so well there, and I'm annoyed because that's the part that you look at. So actually that's a little bit higher than that side. I should have just I pinned it, I made sure it was all matching, but for some reason I didn't get those to match. The collar was a little bit baggy, and I couldn't, because it's just a cheap thing, I didn't want to take it out. So what I did was I put a couple of little darts in there, and that pulled it in a bit. Not bad, very nice, like it. It'll do just to wear for work. Very happy, not bad for £5.